Excuse me, I abruptly ran out of disk space. But you didn't miss anything. He doesn't seem all that suspicious of us, does he? Do we have that outfit? Doesn't look like it. Well, / Imperial Salute? Yeah, there we go. One of our covert operatives, are you? Carry on, soldier. Insurgents gathering to the east, you say? Judging by your description, they are well beyond the perimeter, but I will not have it said that I was remiss. Return to the scene and keep an eye on those insurgents. Should not go awry, use your smoke signal to call us. I guess the disguises are for later in the plan. Yeah, let's get a couple more of these mud puppies to get that hunt done. You don't need to watch that. Actually, you do need to watch it. It's going to be cool. Spread disease. And zap everybody. And fireballs for everyone. Yes. Bully these mobs that are like 8 levels below us. So, hey. 4 out of 4 on the hunt. Yeah, we got some allied seals and some gil. Who knew they were hunt targets? Alright, where are we actually headed here? A ways, man. Once again, just being able to cruise makes everything so much more tolerable. Walking back and forth and up across this zone over and over would really have sucked. When lit, this tube emits a continuous plume of white smoke, used to inform others of one's current position. Imperial smoke signal. Zoop. Let's go on in. Here we go. There's the big spike.
Hope you don't mind my joining, seeing as we're seizing advanced weaponry.
Whoa, what was that?
Weaponry. Seeing as we're seizing advanced weaponry, I thought it best to be on hand. Ah, there she is.
But there she is. It's very difficult to do that while I'm speaking in the reactor, but I guess I could do it. Maybe I should try. This is the place. Excuse me. But where is the enemy? Waiting for you. Sir, over there. Send in the Reaper. Let us make an example of these insurgents. Oh, an example of us. Is that what's going to be made? Fuck, no, I wanted these dudes to all be in range so I could obliterate them all at once. It's much more fun that way. Put down all the foot soldiers, then concentrate on the Reaper. A few scratches can't be helped. Let's obliterate these guys. Huh. That dude wasn't taking... Oh, there we go. It was like he took a bunch of delayed damage. Oh, you know what it is? It's that Ifrit has to, like, actually be there. That Ifrit was looking elsewhere. This dude's casting stone on me like a proper white mage. Duty complete. Well, that went well. They do feel kind of immensely powerful as the summoner. At last, our very own suit of Magitech armor. Still feels like I'm getting pinched. Not wishing to look a gift chocobo in the beak, but does it seem rather the worse for... But it does seem rather the worse for wear, doesn't it? Biggs, Wedge, what's your honest assessment?
Well, there's the fact that she's smoking, of course, but looking past that, I'd say she was structurally sound.
I don't like the way these legs are buckled. I hate to say this, but the servo mechanism may be damaged.
Eh? But aren't those things protected by a thick iron plate?
Yes, they are. It's odd. The casing doesn't seem to have taken a blow. I suspect we're dealing with a faulty part.
Or whatever it is we're dealing with, we're not resting till it's fixed. Now 1 wink of sleep. You got that, Wedge?
Oh, fucking cart chocobo.
I heard that.
All's been set aside for our use in the Reverend's Toll. That's where we'll carry out the repairs. Look for us there, Long Point. This feels less natural than doing it in kind of a higher pitch. And then we'll go back to see it being.
We'll set aside a hole for the repairs.
We'll just fling them away. Whoop. My whole life has led up to this moment. I've been dreaming of looking at this readout. Hook your blood into it. Just plug in your blood, just do it. Trundling away. We have to go on armor quest now. Report to Sid. Always like reporting to Sid because I like doing that voice. Take me away. Okay. Slackborn.
The Magitech armor. Sid and the others took it inside. Go on in and join them.
Yeah, show me the workshop. Gonna stick a wrench in it. Hello.
We've now had time to take a closer look at the Reaper. Our preliminary diagnosis was correct. She's structurally sound, but her servo mechanism is faulty. You needn't worry though. Biggs and Wedge will see her restored to her former glory in no time at all. Give those two something to mend and they'll think of naught else till the job's done. 'Tis a marvellous thing to behold, provided you remind them of to visit the privy.
Fool me twice. Every little thing she does is Magitech.
The repairs are proceeding apace. It shouldn't be long now before Biggs and Wedge complete their work. There is however one small problem. As you may recall, the machine's servo mechanism was discovered to be faulty. Wedge has subsequently ascertained that the Magitech core which drives it is worn beyond use. Such cores are rather fragile devices which must be replaced at regular intervals. Thanks to the negligence of our Imperial colleagues, however, the one used in this Reaper was long overdue. Alas, we do not have access to a ready replacement here in Mordzona. When not all is lost, Wedge thinks he may have identified an alternative solution. Go and see him, would you? Explain the details to you.
As I believe the Chief has already informed you, the Magitech core is worn beyond use. We need to find a replacement. I thought about having you appropriate more Reapers, but even if the Dunderhead maintenance engineers of Castrum Sentry had remembered to replace their cores, we would risk arousing Imperial suspicion. But do not despair, for I believe there is a solution to substitute the Magitech core with a Mammoth Heart. In case you didn't know, a Mammoth Heart can be used to grant sentience to an automaton. By my reckoning, such a device should be more than capable of regulating the armor's servo mechanism. We'll just need to make some minor modifications to the housing unit. I've already placed an order for a first-rate Mammoth Heart with the Goldsmiths Guild. All that remains is for someone to go to Ul'dah and collect it, and to pay them for it. Did I mention how much they cost? No. Well, they typically cost something on the order of... I hope you don't mind footing the bill. It's for a good cause.
That is actively straining my voice to do that. It is physically painful. I can feel myself beginning to bleed. Maybe we should get rid of that one. Not yet, though. We'll see how prominent these characters remain. Goldsmiths Guild, please. Goldsmiths Guild. Whoop. How are we gonna compensate them for this? Serendipity. Hello. Hello there. Come to collect a Mammoth Heart, you say? Then you must be here on behalf of Garland Ironworks. I've taken the liberty of picking the finest example we have. A heart fit for a prince among mammoths. Payment? Oh, that won't be necessary. This heart is for Master Alphino's personal use, after all. Mafter? He notified us a short while ago that his manservant would be coming to collect it. Tender in years though he may be, Master Alphino has been a benefactor of ours since my predecessor's time. The Goldsmiths Guild wouldn't dream of charging him. But here is the Mammoth Heart. May it serve you well. Oh, and please do pass on my compliments to your master. So, is Alphino, is he like an oligarch? He's not just like a sort of nobility. He's the idle rich who decides to join the CIA. And mostly because he wants to protect Eorzean interests, because he has money and everything. Maybe my fondness for him is waning. I think the Duke Nukem voice may have damaged us a little bit. Want to go in and harden its saying, but try not to be seen. Wait, why shouldn't I be seen? Hey, Wedge.
Do you have the Mammoth Heart? I can't wait to see if it works.
The clockwork soul of a mammoth. I love making my machines sentient.
Hurrah! Thank you so much. But this is magnificent. It must have cost an emperor's ransom. Free of charge, courtesy of Alphino. Coming from an influential family certainly has its advantages. But without further ado, let's give it a try. I've already modified the housing unit, so it should slot right in.
I should check that it is in fact actually pronounced Ado, because I'm pretty sure I heard that somewhere.
There, she's ready. Magitech armor, engage.
Oh boy.
Or not, huh? She just needs a loving tap, I'll wager.
I hope so. Hey, sounds like it's online.
Yes, she's alive. Let's take her outside and put her through her paces. Longpoint, would you care to do the honors?
If only I could conjure my buddy Violet to do their Duke Nukem voice. 'Cause they've got a really weirdly good one. But this is not the kind of project that bears post-editing. Not at all. Wedge.
Hop into the pilot's seat. We'll begin as soon as you're ready. First, I'd like you to try climbing that tangle of crystals yonder. As far up as you can go, if you please. Oh, and if for some reason you need to dismount, simply come back here and we'll start again.
Well, hey. Can I fly? I can't fly. Come on. I deserve to fly. It's like just in case you've never mounted anything in this game before. Just trundling along. I was checking to see if it had some kind of laser button, but it doesn't look like it does. Oh, we've got to go up, but we haven't had to go up on foot before. We don't know how to get up. There's up. Nearly there, nearly there.
No anomalous movements evident in either leg. Good. Next, jump back down and then sprint north quick as you can.
I'm down and I'm heading north. North, 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 north. This is not.
Leg joints absorbing all impact without incident. Excellent. Make your way back, Longpoint.
Just don't aggro on me, you weirdos. Leave me alone, I'm just an enormous trundling war machine. Disturbing the tranquility of your, to be fair, battlefield. Living graveyard. Crystalline cactus patch.
The torso remains stable during vigorous motion. Excellent. And that concludes our test. Thanks for your cooperation.
The music there.
Here is a summary of my findings. The drivetrain is in sound condition. With some fine-tuning, we can expect a noticeable improvement in performance. As for the servo mechanism, I'm afraid it's not nearly as responsive as it should be, and I'm at a loss to explain why. The Mammoth Heart is in pristine condition and should be installed correctly. Perhaps its inner workings are simply too different to operate harmoniously with the armor's other mechanisms. Whereas Magitech cores serve only to conduct impulses, Mammoth Hearts enable automata to process the information collected by their sensor as feelings. Maybe she just doesn't feel like part of the team, in which case we should all do our best to make her feel/welcome.
Alright, I'm gonna hug the fucking armor, why not? The Iron Chocobo. Click. Hey, Biggs. Oh boy, now we're synced? Weird. I thought we were already in a synced spot.
Daft as it felt, I gave it my best. I welcomed myself to a bloody standstill. What were you expecting it to do anyway? Bob us a curtsy?
Bob's curtsies. Uh-huh. Hello, Sidling.
Tang tang. No doubt you're wondering why the servo mechanism is so important to warrant this silliness. Without it, the pilot would be required to control the armor's every movement manually. This would be an onerous task at the best of times and wholly impractical during battle. Using a mammoth heart in place of the worn Magitech core seemed a promising solution. Alas, the device does not appear compatible with Garlean technology.
Could it please be, though?
Wedge, are there no other ways we might demonstrate our appreciation to our friend here?
I'm at my wit's end, Chief. She just doesn't seem convinced. We could try a little dance, maybe, or cheer our heads off.
Imperials, they've come for the armor. Damn it, they have us cornered.
Ooh, trotting in slow motion. There's the Reaper. Erwin looking fresh. Taken by the traitor Garland. And that is that the Icon Slayer? Oh, bollocks. Call for reinforcements. Quick, yeah.
The hell's you will?
Boink. Jamnation. We've located the stolen Reaper, requesting immediate assistance. Respond. It's no use, sir. There's some sort of interference. Curse you, Garland. No matter. If we can't reclaim it, destroy it. Ooh, it's a big chess piece. Spooky.
Bloody hells, long point, protect the armor at all costs.
Yeah, mean twink spring into action. They gonna make us use the armor, or are we just gonna be ourselves? Thank God we are just ourselves. Target the big chess piece, why don't we? Oh, hey, come over here, jerk. No, come over here. Hey, cohort boy, come over here. Come the fuck over here. Don't make me raise my voice, youngin'. Oh man, off to a bad fucking start here. Our slogan. There we go. That's more like it. That's interesting. It looked like it missed there. Oh, it didn't miss. Just took a while to hit. Hey. Alright. I anticipated that being a bit longer of an encounter. And now that we put our lives on the line for this metal chariot, it will believe that we love it. Clap, clap, clap. Lovely, really. Its servo motor grew 3 sizes that day. Friend. Or else its weapons come online and obliterates. Hey, how you doing? Wait, which one's Wedge?
Chief, look, she moved.
And now she deigns to grace us with her presence. Took us a good while, but we're finally ready. It's time to infiltrate Castrum Sentry and rescue our comrades.
Yeah. Hey, we did it.
There, the finishing touch.
Wow.
What is that a picture of? I wasn't paying enough attention there. I didn't catch it. We'll figure it out.
Beep, 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 beep.
What is it? What is it? Just tell me what it is. Level is no longer synced. Sid.
The servo mechanism is now fully functional, and all it took was a simple fight to the death. Remind me not to install the Mammoth to build the Enterprise, would you? Much as I love her, I'd rather not be required to profess it before building.
Good line.
But enough of that. Let us see to our final preparations. Thanks to Biggs and Wedge, the Reaper's good as new. They're as prepared as we like to get.
Boom. Escape from Centauri or whatever.
How go your preparations, Long Point? We leave as soon as you're ready. Glowment, you came.
I thought I'd give you all a roaring send-off. 'Tis the least I can do for the fine men and women that are about to make my lifelong wish come true.
Well, we'll do our best. It occurs to me, for all the help you've afforded us, we know little and less about you. What did the Empire do to earn your ire? But I fear to put curiosity before consideration. I quite understand if you'd rather not relive those memories.
No, I don't mind, really. Truth be told, a part of me was itching to tell you my tale. Bear in mind you, 'tis hardly novel. I ain't the first to suffer at Imperial hands. Like most folk, I used to have a mother. She was a sweet, caring woman with a smile never far from her face. There was a sister, too, pretty little thing she was. Gentle as a lamb, but tough as nails. We were poor folk living simple lives, but we knew happiness just the same. Then the Imperials came and took it all away. When Alamigo fell, they put my family in a camp. Being a lad, I was made to do hard labor while my mother and sister were forced to do far worse. They hid their suffering from me as best they could, but I knew, and the thought of it drove me mad. We had to escape, and so I hatched a plan to get us out of the city. We were picking our way around a gorge not far outside the walls when they caught up with us. And rather than allow themselves to be taken again, my mother and sister leaped over the edge before my very eyes. Heartbroken as I was, I didn't put up a fight when the Imperials clapped me in chains and dragged me back. It was some years after that I escaped again, and that time I got away. I swore then that I'd get revenge on the Empire and become an adventurer so as to hone my skills and earn the coin I needed. But nigh on 2 decades since have gone by, and what have I achieved? Bugger all, that's what. Unlike you lot, you've been here 10 minutes and you've already done more than I managed in 10 bloody years.
You give us too much credit, Glowment. We seek only to rescue our friends.
What's more important than that? In any road after you've got your friends back, you're planning on going after the Empire, and don't pretend you ain't. I've helped a few folks take on the Imperials over the years, and every time I have, it's helped stave off my appetite for revenge. But someone tells me I won't be going hungry for a while, with everything you've got planned.
You sure that will satisfy you? If you wish to strike back at the Empire with your own hand, you need only say the word. We'd be glad to have you with us.
Tempting though your offer is, I'm afeard I must decline. Swore I'd get revenge on the Empire, 'tis true, but have long since realized the front lines are no place for a man like me. There's some as would call me craven, but I prefer to think of myself as a realist. My talents lie in scheming, you see, not swordplay. Helping folk like you is how I can make the most difference. But that's quite enough storytelling for one day. Best not keep your friends waiting any longer. I'll be praying for your safety and success. May Rhalgr give you strength. Big nightmare grin so he doesn't cry.
Wherever the Empire goes, misery invariably follows in its wake. For the sake of all who call Eorzea home, we must put an end to Gaius' ambitions. But first, we have friends to rescue. Biggs, Wedge and I will lie in wait east of Castrum Sentry, just outside the Stronghold's patrol perimeter. Join us when you're ready. Oh, and don't forget to wear your disguise, this will be the shortest rescue mission in history.
Very well. Well, I think this is it. And I want to go just far enough to be able to queue. Sorry about that. Had to pause and then took a few steps. So how do I disguise myself as an Imperial soldier? Is it actual equipment that they've given me? Legionary gear? Yeah, they've given me 2 sets of it, I guess. Equip. Can I equip it automatically somehow, please? I don't see the chest piece. Wasn't it just boots and... Well, what should we be doing here? Equip. Hello, Sid. Oh, fuck. Leave me alone.
There you. Oh, fuck. Jesus.
Leave me alone. Squish it. Obliterate.
There you go. A patrol should be heading back to the castrum any moment now, so for God's sakes, don your disguise. If you've misplaced your disguise, hurry back to Evidence Toll. Glaument told me to acquire some additional helms and robes for just such an eventuality. Whatever you do, though, do it swiftly. We need you here in Imperial uniform if this plan is going to work.
Well, what is it? Wait, Vigil robe, is that it? No, that is definitely not it. Velveteen cowl, altered cotton dalmatica, Doctore's robe. Which one is it? Help me out with this. This is a terrible mechanic and I hate it. What? Please, I'm crying out to the gods here. Where is the outfit? Yeah, it really looks like they just did not give me this equipment before because it's this. And it's not the legionary thing. It's something called a pot helm. Where is it? Show me the pot helm. Where is it? It just says mended imperial pot helm. It looks like that. Here it is, the very first thing. Equip. So is that it? Is it just those two, or is there more? Because I'm going feral here over this. This is, there's no reason that I should have to physically equip it. Okay, that was it. Alright, let's go over there and talk to Cid and finish this shit up. Do we have to kill the mud puppy again? These are truly violent times we live in. It's the number of casts I get off immediately. I guess Yeah, dude, it's just that I had an extra one. Alright, Cid, please. Please. I've got an episode of No Cat to watch.
Forgive me for saying so, but you cut quite a dashing figure in Imperial black and crimson. But now is not the time for jests.
Yeah, I look goofy.
Let's review the infiltration plan. Castrum Sentry lies just beyond. A short while ago, an Imperial patrol left to do its rounds. Alfino and I will create a diversion out here and keep them occupied for as long as we are able. Meanwhile, the three of you will enter the stronghold posing as patrol returning from duty. Should Alfino and I prove less distracting than we hoped, I will contact you via Link Pearl. Be ready to beat a hasty retreat.
Good. We've already seen this. Remember, we saw it just a minute ago.
Wedge will lead the way in the Reaper. Stay close to him. And I hardly need to tell you this, but don't do anything suspicious. Oh, unless you wonder, Ida and Ishtar left shortly before you arrived. I'd planned that they should linger in the vicinity to cover our retreat in the event that Alphino and I attract too much attention. But the approach of an Imperial vehicle forced us to improvise. Don't be too disappointed. They did at least leave a message for you. Something along the lines of don't do anything reckless if memory serves. Wise words.
The castrum stands over us.
Alright, the Imperial patrol should be returning any moment now. You best be off. Good luck, Arrowen. May the 12 keep you.
Yeah. Gonna get kept by those 12.
Creak.
I thought this was the start of a dungeon. Is it not? Is this actually still outside Dungeon Land, or was that like slightly? Ooh. Whoa.
You have spirit. That I will allow.
Okay.
Yet you struggle to the benefit of none, least of all yourself.
Hey, that's brutal.
This echo of yours intrigues us. We desire only to understand it, and for that we need your help.
Maybe there is just a solo portion
you
of
wish
this.
to be rid of the icons, do you not?
Not sure we want to store them inside
you
a
would
bomb,
have saved
though.
yourself a great deal of torment had you accepted our aid from the beginning.
It's good delivery.
Tell me everything, and I shall end it quickly. Refuse, and though you beg for death, you shall not have it. Which will it be?
Lydia,
As
you
wish,
are extra.
My dear Minfilia. Unpleasant though it will be for all concerned, you leave us no choice but to employ more rigorous methods of study.
Like her chest plate, that is
Be so
not
kind
ridiculous
as to deliver
boobs
the
armor.
prisoners to Castrum Meridianum.
Just the flag on her sternum,
Yes, milady.
too. I like that guy's voice. Yes, milady. Certainly. Not a voice that we've used ourselves yet, maybe because it's torturous and unpleasant to hear. Never stopped us before, though, so you know. Perform an Imperial salute to Imperial soldiers, okay? / Imperial salute. Nope, okay, not there. Imperial courier. I don't know how long this bit is. Maybe I should just call this here. Oh, my apologies. I didn't notice you there. So engrossed was I in my task. You'd be engrossed too had the Tribunus commanded you to arrange for the prisoners to be transported. What prisoners do I speak of? You mean you haven't heard? Only the infamous Scions of the Seventh Dawn, captured by the Tribunus herself. If you don't believe me, have a look in the storage tower when you next pass that way. I like these chess guys a lot. They're cool. Imperial Decurion, or Decurion. Are you Italian too? Part of the maintenance crew from Occidens, are you? I don't know what they teach you over there, but being an engineer does not exempt you from saluting your superiors. Okay. That's a fine salute. Part of the maintenance crew from Occidens, are you? Welcome to Castrum Sentry, Engineer. What? Prisoners? Ah, you've heard the rumors then. Yes, they're being held in the storage tower, but I strongly suggest you pay them no mind. You were summoned here to work, not to gawp at Eorzea's defeated heroes. Now show a bit of enthusiasm or I'll have you reported. Please, sir. Mount unavailable. Fuck that. Yeah, I guess we'll see this through. You're sleepy and I'm gonna salute you for it. Hello. Greetings, comrade. Forgive my asking, but you haven't visited this storage tower recently, have you? I only ask because I've dropped something in there and, who am I fooling? I've fallen from one of the prisoners, all right. I dare say you know the one I mean. Hey, the svelte blonde, goodness no. It's the Lalafell lass I'm smitten with. She's so adorable it hurts. I want to sweep her up in my arms and squeeze her till my arms ache. Arms. What do you reckon it would take to convince the Centurion to lend me the keys so I could see her? Is that the tack we're gonna take, that we want to fuck Tataru? I don't think that's gonna... I'm not going that route. Thank you. What's this? You need access to the storage tower. What business have you there? At the Tribunus' behest, you say. This is highly irregular, but it would not do to make my lady wroth. Take my identification key, see that it is returned when your errand is concluded. Wow, security is tight around here, I guess. That bird, it's a nice little piece of detail there. Biggs, does it salute you too?
Security's tight, just as we expected. We're gonna need a special key if we want to get past this bulkhead.
Thin rectangular piece of what appears to be subsermit. Used to deactivate certain Magitech security terminals. Take it, Biggs. Take it.
Wow, wow, wow.
Make some Mario noises.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Yep. Got the okay from everybody. Okay, yep. Examine the steel door. Trot, 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 trot. Steel door. Creak, 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 creak. Ooh, okay. Escape from Castrum Sentry. Here we go. Let's show them what a summoner can do. No.
Minfilia and the rest. Thank goodness they're safe.
I'm the one you want. Leave the others be. If you harm my friends, I swear I shall take my own life. You shall answer to your mistress. Got an L pill in that tooth, ma'am? What are you planning? You got spikes around you can just fall on. Bit late. Yeah, it's Tataru. Keep quiet, Tataru. Don't spoil things.
Tataru, we must do something.
We risk letting the entire castrum know we're here.
Wait, what? Fuck. This is the 3rd Squadron. What is it? A Reaper. Seized when? This came to light only now. The culprits will have left a trail. Take as many men as you need and scour the area. I want that Reaper found.
Now's our chance.
The Reaper has come home to roost. What the? Strike my last. Eliminate the intruders. He looks weird in that mask. Let's shut down some fashy fellas. Here we go. You came. Always, madame. I'm not gonna let you wither here. Unbind us, Longpoint. Together we may yet win free. Cool. There are more pressing matters at hand. Get these shackles off us quickly. I'm shackled too. Let me go. It says there are more pressing matters at hand. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I see. I was trying to talk to him. Oh. I guess we didn't need that. Have they been unshackled? Did the game assume that we'd freed them because we were struggling with that encounter?
Longpoint, I was so scared.
It was foolish of you to come here. You might have been killed. But thank you. I shudder to think what might have happened did you not arrive when you did. I say, did you not see Thancred anywhere? I'm beginning to fear for the fellow. No, he just kind of left the story, but he'll be back.
To linger here shall yield us no answer. Let us away, ere the window to our liberty closes shut.
What did you say? Escaped, then recapture them. Fail, and I shall have your head. And what have we here? Hello. The Tribunus herself, just as you said. You have the eye of an Ahriman, Ida.
Well, she's kind of hard to miss in that showy armor of hers.
Accursed scions, how did you slip our defenses? With unexpected ease, if truth be told. There chanced to be a commotion outside of the castrum's walls, which allowed us to avail ourselves of the comforts of your vehicle.
Y'shtola was just being polite. That was one of the most uncomfortable things I've ever stowed away in. It's no wonder it's called the Phantom Train. No passenger would be seen dead on it.
So you scuttled in amidst the freight like the vermin you are. I shall be sure to have words with our rat catcher. Such negligence is unforgivable.
That is far from the most pressing concern. First you must answer for your own wrongdoing, Livius Susas Junius. Whoop. 'Twas you who led the raid on the Waking Sands. You who butchered unarmed men and women for the crime of being unworthy of capture. You killed our friends. We'll never forgive you.
We gotta figure something out for her.
Nor shall we suffer you to plague Eorzea a day longer. We take you to your guard.
Y'shtola's cool. More intruders. Protect the Tribunus.
Confound it. Ida with me.
What, those fucking 3 other dudes on top of the superhero were your biggest concern? Scrolling combat text, dodge after them. Where is His Excellency? In the hangar, my lady, in discussion with our guest. Alert him at once. Yes, my lady. Great.
Tang.
No, 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 no. There they are. Fan out and surround them.
Tink, 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 tink.
Must protect.
Must protect Tataru. Biggs, I'm going in. See everyone to safety. These Garleans are gonna pay for stealing our babe.
No, Wedge, don't do it.
Whoa. Ooh, looks like it's mate.
Oh no, Long Point, hold him off. I'll look at them in Philly and Tataru.
Defeat the enemy and escape from Castrum Sentry. Do not let the prisoners escape. I'm just gonna soak this one, I think. Whoa, okay, that was a mistake. 28 seconds of paralysis. That's a long time. Oh, wait, no, we're good. We're good. Orianger. What the fuck are you doing over here, dude? Infernal creation is shielded by energies not its own. Whoever is generating that shield must be near it. Find it, Arrowin. Where is the shield generator? Fuck everything else up first, because I hate this man. Okay, he's down. Is it around here somewhere? I seem to recall that it is just tucked away out of sight. Aha! With cohort signifier. And there's the field generator. Destroy it. Zoop. It's probably overkill. Yes, it was. A signifier. Magitech shield is deactivated. Very good. Let's just drop an instant on there. Boom. Oop. Down. Well, didn't get to use our signature move. Aha! Now we will. Wait, where's Ifrit? Is Ifrit not summoned? Shit. Okay, signature... Wait. Resynced below. We labor in vain. Till the beast is divested of its shield, our blows shall not find their mark. Well, where's the shield this time? Where is it? Shouldn't it be behind this wall somewhere? Because these seem to be dead ends. Is it tucked away over here? Aha! I guess they're setting them up ad hoc, so it makes some sense. They're not, I don't think that they were permanent installations, you know? Alright, buddies. Oh, I do have the signature move. Ifrit, do your thing. Where are you, Ifrit? There you are. Signature move! Oh, wait. The other one is still shielded. Huh. Pabalimo's taking a lot of damage. Be a real shame if we lost him. So, is there another... Yep. Right over here. Get lost, buddy. Let's down another big robot. Oh, there's another one behind there. Are you ready to die? You're not getting away. Bring forth the Colossus. What in the hells? A new design. Well, it's not gonna... Oop, shit. Moved early. What's this ability called again? Fester. Wear the unknown foe. That's a very Urianger line. That's a Colossus, is it? More like a colossal waste of iron. Defeated. They could not stop us.
We're just too good. Beep boop, beep boop boop.
Alas, Wedge is still in there. Flee. Don't you have incredible teleportation magics, Minfilia? This would be a great... I mean, I know you're not feeling good, but if you could
Take the
muster
leader,
those...
kill the rest.
Whoa, buddy, that's strong. They got gunblades. Interesting. Oh, it's her. It's Y'shtola, not Minfilia, who's got the wild tele. Because Y'shtola's a fucking bad bitch. Minfilia just
Y'shtola!
gifted with magic.
Pray, forgive us our delay.
Anything, Y'shtola. Okay, maybe she's cool too. Fine. Just like to see Minfilia be useful.
Minfilia. Ida.
This is a very Final Fantasy IV moment.
so long?
Well, it's nice to see you too.
Whoa.
The reunion must wait.
Yeah, please. I'd like to get to the end of this quest because
Right.
it's going
First
on 1 in
things
the
first.
morning.
Yes. Let's get back to being heavily outnumbered.
I say we just leave. Ooh.
You ditched your Magitech armor. Fool of a Lalafell!
Well, excuse me. She's all yours if you think you can do any better.
Oh, the sentient robot is waking back up. It sees us, its bestest friend.
But there's no one in there.
Why are you surprised about that? We deliberately made it sentient.
This is Sid. Can you hear me?
Of course we can, Sid.
I need you to count to 5, then jump. Understood?
I think we're about to get an airship rescue. 2, 3, 4, 5.
1,
Okay. Good thing we
2.
started so late.
3.
4.
It's a team effort. Hop. Yeah. Tiny landing pad there. I guess probably there's just only collision in one direction. The Magitech armor didn't actually do anything, it just distracted them for a second.
I know not which is more pitiful. The charlatans who rule Eorzea,
Please, Gaius, expand on
or the
this.
masses that clamor for their implausible panaceas.
But you literally want to make an
I
ultimate
see
weapon.
that which they cannot. This realm founders for want of a ruler with true power. The power to cast down icons.
We've been doing
If you
that, though.
continue to deny this truth, it is the people who will suffer. Embrace reason.
He does have facts and logic on his side. Ooh, laser time.
What in the 7 hells?
Ooh, it's it.
No. It's here.
It's here. The
12
ultimate weapon.
Preservers. They finished it. Ultima weapon.
So it has a name.
It is a relic of ancient Alag, excavated from its resting place deep beneath Alamigo. The Alagons
Alag
used it
was-
to crush
I think Alag
primal
may have been
and foe
global.
alike. And now the Garleans mean to do the same.
The natural heirs to the Alagan Empire.
Damn you, Gaius!
Look! There! Beside the Black Wolf! An Ascian! An overlord, no less. His garb attests to that.
Yeah, we can't quite see his
La Habrea.
face, can we?
It could only be him.
Remove the mask. It's this dipshit.
Thancred!
Thancred. How can this be?
He was La Habrea? No. No, this cannot be.
It certainly confused me the first time around, and I do not remember quite how it is.
We have to go now.
Yeah, I don't like that we're hanging on long enough to get a look at this dude. Not even using any kind of telescopy.
No!
Nobody even thought to mention Thancred until now. He came up once, I guess. Why are they giggling? This is not how they wanted things to go. It really looks like he's having a fit over there. Ship. Quite the cast of characters.
All that time, the enemy was beside me, and I never even suspected.
You're a child,
And to
Alphino.
think
Cut
that it
yourself
was
a break.
I who suggested that Thancred investigate the Ascians. How could I have been so blind? Small wonder the enemy knew our every move, and where to find us. Confound it all! No, this is not the time for self-doubt. The Alliance leaders staked their hopes on the Scions, but now they believe us all dead or missing.
The perfect time to strike.
When they learn of the Empire's new weapon, we cannot be certain what they will do.
Capitulate.
We must go and offer them what assurances we can that defeat is not inevitable.
Kryl, this is Minfilia.
The situation
I
may
am
have
in
taken
some
an
haste,
ill
so
turn,
forgive me if I seem brusque. The
but the
item
battle
I
is far
requested.
from over.
Is it ready?
And so long as we stand together,
Wonderful.
there shall
I'm
ever
sorry
be
to
hope
press,
of
but we
victory.
need it
The item
urgently.
she requested.
How soon can it
The
be
people of
delivered?
Eorzea falter for want of such hope.
I am in your
Let
debt,
us
my
provide
friend.
it. Let us bear to them
She
the
is
tidings
on
that the
her fucking
Scions of the
phone.
Seventh Dawn are returned. Matters are coming to a head. I hope we can count on you.
You know, being dead can be useful. I'm not sure of granting hope to them if they're not going to be
My
providing you
regards to
material
Grandfather.
support. Ooh.
I am ready. Let us pay a visit to the Council of the Alliance leadership.
Oh, wow. This is just going on and on, huh? Hells take the Black Wolf and his new toy. I was really hoping to be done at some point tonight.
Rally all available forces. I want them ready to move upon my word. And relay to Slafshin the order to sail. That is all. The maelstrom stands ready. What of the flames?
Ready as we'd like to be. I need only give the word to Roy. Ruel? Who knows? I don't think we had a voice for her, did we? She's not put in much appearance so far. Has there been no word from Ishgard? None. The dragons have got their tongues. Silent to the last, I was unwise to hope for better.
What would stir the Archbishop to open his holy mouth if not this? And he claims the fury for his god. 'Tis bad comedy.
The Holy See has made its choice. We will proceed without its cooperation. They're looking to her as the only civic authority that exists in these cities outside of the free companies themselves. But she's just a fucking hereditary monarch. I believe we are all acquainted with the terms of the Black Wolf's ultimatum. We must agree upon a course of action. Not less than the fate of Eorzea hangs upon the decision of this council. Van Baelsar claims to wield the power to smite primals. Should we yield to him, He pledges to rid the realm of its false gods. It offer resistance, and he swears that we shall share the Primal's fate. Pardon me my bluntness, but I like not these choices. This is too great a decision for any one of our nations to make alone. Choose we surrender or resistance, we must answer as one. For if but one surrenders, the rest shall surely fall. Let us pray for the wisdom to do right by all our peoples. You're a monarch, lady. You don't have any interest in your people's well-being. Okay, whew. Wow, alright. Thancred's plight troubles us all, yet we cannot allow anything to come between us and our goal. So long as the Ultima weapon exists, Eorzea will never know peace. Let us go to the Alliance leaders, Erwin, and help them make the right decision. Okay, but not now. Not now. That was too fucking long. Jesus, I really meant for that to be briefer. Very well. Well, we're nearer the end than ever, and we shall inch ever closer. Until such time as we have time, I'll see you soon.